Good day, welcome to HGS. We have a motherboard here, power issue. No light on the charger from the DC power machine. No power, so no light here. So simply means PP3 V3 hot is not present on the system. Because if PP3 V3 hot is present on the system, we'll have charger lights here. So let's start by diagonizing. First, you do your physical inspection. Do your physical inspection to see if there's any physical damage that can withhold the system from functioning. There are too much dirt here. There are too much dirt here. And this should be under 5 years. Huh? Something is missing here. The cap is missing here. The cap is missing there. And those ones are not the minor two I'm looking at first. We are going to... Okay, let's first of all check. This motherboard is A203332 MacBook Pro 15 inches. So this is the diagram for PP3 V3 hot. How PP3 V3 hot is going to be present on the system, these processes in which it's going to take. So the first process is fuse line to TD level shift. That's on U6970. Okay, fuse line, from fuse line to Q6910, from Q6910 to resistor 6920, from 6920 to 69 OFD, diode 6905, from 6905 to U6990, which should be producing the 3 volts. So first of all, let's confirm if we have 18.5 power line on 6920. Now to our board view. This is our board view. This is 3332 6920. This is where it's located, close to the U18 00, which is the system graphics, Intel graphics. Okay, so this is 6920. P1 should be taking in 18.5. So let's put in our charger. Let's socket in our charger. Our charger is present. Our amperage is at 0.049. We have a voltage of 20 volts. So now let's check on 6920, right? So 6920 should be this, the green resistor here. Let's put in, wow, we have a spark. This is 19.9, 18.4, 18.4, approximately 18.5, 18.10, still voltage present to the cap, 18 point. Now this should be giving us 3.3 volts, 3.4 pp3 G3 hot. This should be the coil resistor responsible for it. No power. We have 18 here, we don't have here. So this should be the U6990. Yes, U6990. This is U6990. Takes in 18 from 8 and 6. 8 and 6. Okay. So now let's first of all change this. This is our first target here. Let's change this. 6990. Apply our flux. Repeat. You can get this from this chip. Is always present on all these old 2014 Pro 13-inch chip should be present there. Let's see. Yeah, this is it here. Now there's the chip. Remember we removed this. Okay, and this is in this form. DPL. Okay. So now let's use this. Still the same thing here. We've gotten what we want. Now let's check on it here. Apply floats. Now to dry. I use thinner to clean, or equal alcohol. Okay. let's check for PP3 G3 hot. We have the amperage is now 0.63. 0.63. Let's test for PP3 G3 hot. Still not present. Still not present. From this angle, there's something like a shorted. From this angle, we shorted. Now, let's see from that angle, what do we have there? We have caps here. We have resistor here. Okay, let's do it this way. Set our meter to continuity. Meter is continuity now. Do we have a short from this side? As you can see, we have a short. We have a short from that end. Okay, so how do we identify these shorts? Now we have a new helper for our machine here, which is a short killer. So let's try to test using our short killer to see where the short is coming from. Let me set the power to 3.3 V3 volt, so it should be on 3 volts. So I've clipped my negative part here. Now I insert my other clip to the other end of L69.5, which is this. Did you see what happened now? Did you see what happened now? This is where the short is coming from. So this cap here is bad, and with our machine, immediately I inserted this here, the capacitor that is faulty shoots out immediately. This capacitor here is the faulty one. Okay. Let me show you guys what happened here. Let's insert this cap back. Let's set it back again to okay guys, now let's show you guys what we did here now. Remember, like I said before, there is a short on this system. Let's confirm. This here shows there is a short on this system, and this capacitor is also shorted, but there is no physical damage to it. Now this is a short killer. Now the work of this product here is to automatically dismantle or kill that particular chip for you to identify the one that is faulty. Now this voltage that is meant to come out from here is PP3 V3 hot, which is about 3 volts. Now this machine is at 3.3 volts. Now I have connected my negative part to the ground side. Now I want to inject 3 volts now produced by this machine to the chip that is meant to produce PP3. Now watch. Did you see? Did you see what happened here? This chip has automatically been identified. So it simply means that this capacitor here is bad. So now your work is done here. Thank you. Now let's remove this chip here. We apply our flux. We apply our flux and heat to remove the chip. Everything is just happening around this battery connector. I pray it will work. The battery connector will be adjusted to okay. Now we've removed the cap here that is bad, and remember this cap should be same as as this. Should be same as this because this is L6990 on 2014-2013. So let's use the cap from this particular one here too. That's it. Assemble it in. I've removed it. Now let me replace. Some people will be asking, how did I know that the capacitor are the same? Now this board is 15 inch. The one I'm removing it from is 13 inches. Now the 13 inches have almost same chips. So these are where is that chip now? Wow, where is it? Where did it go to? It's my table there. It's my table. I mean the one we removed from here. It should be on this table. Can't find it, but I'll look for it because it simply means it's good. There's nothing wrong on it, so I need to replace it back here. Now look for it on this table. Let me brush to see if it's gummed on the body. It's not. It's not. Okay, so I test for short again. I test for short again first. There is no short present. So now let's put the charger in and test for power. We have power from the DC power. You can see here 1.160. System is up. We have our system back to life. So you can see how we do it. It's not magic. It's called work. So we'll couple the system back to the casing and we'll get back to the video when we are done coupling. Keep watching, guys. Welcome back. We've coupled it. We'll put the boards to the housing. Now we have a display. There's an Apple logo there. System is loading. The fan is spinning. The fan is spinning. The battery is connected, and our trackpad is working. Smartphone hub. Okay, you can see here that we've solved this problem, and the customer is gonna come and pick it up any moment from now. Okay, so thanks for watching and subscribing to HGS Assist for more MacBook repairs. Compliment of the season to all my customers, and please don't forget we still have the promo going on. 10,000 to every customer who refers to his friend and share our post. So to be randomly selected. So thank you very much, and God bless you on this season of celebration.